welcome back to another vlog. I am so excited. If you can't tell, I am ready to go do a workout. The gyms are finally open in Ontario today, so I'm eating breakfast and I'm gonna go. It's currently almost 8:30. My plan is to be at the gym by around 9:30, 10ish. I'm hoping that it won't be super busy by then, because when gyms were open regularly, there was always a lull in between like 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. It was always like quiet time. There was like not many people in the gym, so I'm hoping it'll be quiet then. But I thought I'd take you guys with me for my first day back at the gym. And then just do a few days in my life vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy. So breakfast before the gym, I'm just having my matcha latte with oat milk, and then a little papaya boat with peaches, Greek yogurt or skyr, granola, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and cacao nibs. Literally, she's so stunning. I just drizzled some honey on top. But yeah, that's just what I'm having for breakfast this morning, so I'm gonna eat, probably chill for about an hour. Like I said, my aim is to be at the gym around 10 a.m. Alright, so we are here. It's a little bit busier than I expected, but at the same time it's not as busy as I expected. It's just busier than when I've ever vlogged here. So we'll see how much I actually vlog and how much footage I actually get, but I'm very happy to be back in the gym.
Listen, but I hope you ain't been on the ledge just for the act. And I see you messing around with other brothers, and I gotta say you ain't gon' catch me waiting around for that. See my baby, she don't play, yeah. Well, at least that's what I thought like yesterday. No, but you've been on some other shit just as of late, yeah. And I ain't no athlete, I don't play games.
Alright, I just finished my first workout back at the gym. Okay. Literally, my legs, they're dead. I could barely walk. They are shaking. They are bad. But I'm so happy to be back at the gym. I started out just doing 135 for hip thrusts. I think when the gyms closed back in November, I was doing 190 for 4x12s or 4x15s. So hopefully it won't take too long to work back up to that. Like, considering that I haven't used weights for almost like 7 months besides like 25, 30-pound dumbbells, I'm pretty surprised at like how much I could lift. Of course my squats are bad. My hips are gonna need to be stretched out. I've always had bad hips, so they're gonna need to be stretched out. But we are heading back home now. I'm actually going up to my parents' house for the weekend because it's my brother's birthday. He's turning 12. What a cutie, he's growing up so fast. But anyways, so we're going home for the weekend. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I'm so excited. Alan's actually coming over. I'm gonna drive us both up to my parents' house for the weekend. But overall, I had a really good workout. I got to film a little bit for you guys. I'm so happy to be back in the gym. That is the moral of the story. Back home, I just got changed, had a protein shake. I'm just wearing this little Aritzia top and then these jean shorts. Yes, I know I literally wear these jean shorts all the time, but they're so comfy, and like when I find a pair of jean shorts that I like, we stick to them. We got my little weekend bag, and Alan's here. He's waiting for me. So I'm going to drive home now for the weekend. I also wanted to mention I am eating lunch before I head out. I have leftover broccoli, spinach, tomato pasta with some chicken from last night. So just eating this as a post-workout lunch, and then also because it's literally like 1:30, so it's lunchtime anyways. Good morning, it is the next day. So last night we actually ended up going out for dinner with Alan's family, so I didn't vlog at all. I'm going to go and get my nails done now. I'm very excited. I got dressed and ready to go. So we're heading to go get my nails done. I'm so excited. I haven't had them done since like I think December, early December, late November. So it's been a good 6.5, 7 months, 8 months almost. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna get. Hopefully they can execute it really well, because I saw this design and I kind of have an idea in my head of what I want. They're like a kind of rounded French tip with some flowers type of thing. We'll see, but let's go. Alright, we got my nails done. I had a different lady do them today, so they're like a little bit wider, not quite the shape that I normally get. I'll give you guys a close-up when I get home, but Got yellow tips with some daisies. I'm not like super in love with them because like I said, they're not as narrow as I typically like them. They're a little bit wider and rounder, but we'll go with it. They're still cute. But anyways, I'm heading home now.
Scab, I like to use my illusion, imagine the nights with the one who got away. Little lady, where do you lay? Are we still alive? Ooh, are we still alive?
Wow. Got it out.
Alright, I just got home from my parents and my HelloFresh box is here. I'm very excited to finally be trying HelloFresh out. HelloFresh did send me this box, so I'm very excited to be showing you guys and trying out the recipes in today's vlog. Alright, let's see what's inside here. I've never had one of these before, like the delivered food boxes, so I'm really excited to see like what all is inside. Ooh! I'm so excited! That looks so good. Everything looks so good. Oh, I'm very excited. All right, we got a whole bunch of bags here and some stuff on the bottom. Ooh, I love this. I'm gonna assume that's like the frozen stuff or like cold meats and stuff. These are the three that they sent me: a chickpea stew, a Mediterranean tortellini, and grilled veggie burgers, which you guys know I'm obsessed with veggie burgers right now. I just popped those guys in the fridge. They're the 3 bags. We've got the little pesto, the tortellini, and the burgers and the feta that came with it. I'm very, very excited. You guys know I love healthy recipes. Just being able to try different food, new recipes. But anyways, it is Monday, so I'm gonna go throw on some makeup, go get changed, and go get ready for my meetings this morning and today. I currently have a little break from meetings, but I forgot to mention, so I didn't vlog it all on Sunday, but Alan and I actually ended up going to the theater and watching Black Widow. We realized it was the first time that we've been to the theater since February of 2020, because we actually went and saw Frozen 2 about a month before everything shut down in 2020. So it's been like a year and a half since we were in a theater, which was, honestly, it was great to be back, and it felt really normal. Like, we got snacks, like we sat and watched a movie in a theater. It just felt so normal and it was so nice. And also Black Widow was amazing. I mean, Marvel always does an amazing job, but like, if you haven't seen it, go watch it. But it was so nice to get out and go do something. Like I said, I didn't vlog. I definitely should have, but I didn't. I just wanted a day of normalcy that wasn't vlogging but was going out and doing something. But yeah, now we're back to just like work today, and like I said, I have client meetings. We are gonna make a HelloFresh dinner later. I'm really excited. That's kind of current update. That's what's happening. I don't think I have any other updates for you guys other than the fact that I went to the gym again yesterday and it was amazing. I did upper body, and I'm just so happy to be back in the gym. Like, it makes me so happy. I definitely am thinking of doing a full like week of workouts, so let me know what you guys want to see as well. If you want to see a week of workouts or workout inspo, workout ideas, etc. Yeah.
I just needed to see ya.
All right, and here is the Moroccan stew all done. I already showed you guys a little close-up, but it literally looks so good. I'm very excited to eat it. We are actually gonna do a first taste test right now because why not? This is freaking delicious. Also, it's vegetarian, so the only non-plant-based product in here would be the feta on top. But otherwise, it's so close to being plant-based and packed with protein because of the chickpeas. This is delicious. Anyways, I'm gonna eat dinner and I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls. You guys know my routine by now. I eat dinner and watch Gilmore Girls or Gossip Girl or Friends, or yeah, those are my 3 shows.
If you want to be with me, you're with me.
Okay.
So I thought tonight we would have a little self-care, skincare night. So I'm gonna do a little face mask and yeah, just like pamper my skin a little bit because why not? I feel like I haven't in a while. So I gotta pick a face mask to do. I'm like looking in the cupboard behind my camera right now and like there's like 2 or 3. I have this little Sephora Zinc and Copper mask that I think I'm gonna try. I don't know if I've actually ever used this one before. If I have, it was like once. Hopefully it hasn't gone bad. It looks kind of hard. We're gonna see how this goes. If this one fails, then I have this blue clay mask that I'm gonna try. But let's put this on. I need a brush. I just have these little like silicone mask brushes. They're the best. If you don't have a mask brush, you need to get one. Maybe this is expired. It's a little hard. I don't think it's supposed to be. You know what? We're just gonna try and yeah, nope. Okay, so that did not go so well. It was just clumpy and hard and I just threw it out. That was a disaster. I also got a little bit in my eye, but I'm okay. So now we are doing something that's a little bit more foolproof. I'm just gonna do a sheet face mask. Okay, I'm just doing this little Karuna. If I find the brand, I'll link it. Karuna face mask. It's a clarifying, pore unclogging. I feel like my forehead has had all those little bumps recently, so I'm just, this sounds like a safe option and I can't mess this up. So after this is on though, I'm gonna light some candles and I'm gonna go read A Court of War and Ruin because I want to finish it. I want to get on to Frost and Starlight and then the new one. I'm so excited, but face mask.
Still on phone 6, cause her voice brings calm. Imagining her falling asleep in her arms. Well, knowing how badly our country's fucked, tomorrow we'll tackle the fights to be fought. We're still home, right back home to you. But I'm still home, oh, right back home to you. Still home.
That was probably so dangerous, but like it's fine. The lighter's not working. Also, I got this little toasted vanilla cocoa marshmallow candle. It smells literally amazing. These ones are just little tea lights for the atmosphere, but this is the scent bringer giving me some comfort this evening. Let's see if the lighter works again. Oh, we got it. Alright, I just took the mask off. My skin feels all like fresh and soft and glowy now. The last thing I'm gonna do for my skin, you guys can see I have this little red guy starting to pop up. So I'm gonna get ahead with him and I'm gonna stick a pimple patch on him. These things have literally been lifesavers. So I get like giant like cystic acne. So it's like big hard pimples that never actually surface, but I've been using these little pimple miracle patches from Rael. And they're amazing. So I'm gonna moisturize my face and then pop one of those guys on there, and then I'm gonna call it a night, probably read a little bit more, but call it a night. I literally love these little things. Like, you almost can't tell that it's even on there, except for the fact that like I messed it up and like I folded it in a little bit, but it's fine. But my skin literally feels so glowy and soft now, and I love it. So I'm gonna call it a night here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little messy vlog, this little 3 days in my life, kind of like a weekend vlog, sort of a weekend vlog. But hopefully I will see you guys in the next video, and I love you all so much. Bye.